Welcome to our fourth lesson on our course How to Become a Geometry Dash Professional. Today we will talk about speed changes and decoration. There are 5 different speeds: slow speed, normal speed, that is set by default, double speed, triple, and quadruple speed. That's all, but later we may talk about this level. Now about the jump distance. On normal speed we can jump above the triple spike. On slow speed above the squished triple spike. On double speed we can jump over 4 spike gap. On triple speed we can jump over 5 spikes. And on quadruple speed we can jump over 6 spikes. It's same with every other game mode. For example, when the ship is fast, it is way easier than when it is slowed. For example, this gap on quadruple speed is quite easy, but on slow speed it's nearly impossible. Oh. Higher speed means longer distance. Ball changes gravity with the same speed, but distance is way longer. UFO just jumps farther, and wave is just impossible to control. That's better. Now we will talk about decorations. For example, we have the level Stereo Madness, first official level from RobTop. It's very easy and there's literally no decoration in here. Yeah, very boring. And now we have a Stereo Madness remake called Rage Quit. Just look at this. Everything in here is inside of a geometry dash. Yeah, looks more like a film, not a game. We may play it later, but this level is very hard to load because it has a lot of objects. And yes, this screen is fake. Then we have this simple level. Without decoration on normal speed, it's very easy, but because it's very dark and the speed is slow, the double spike gap becomes very hard. The next level doesn't have a lot of decoration, but it is slow paced. Whole level is on slow speed, which makes it a little bit harder, but some parts are still easier. The assignment before the next lesson would be very interesting. You should search for auto level that is legendary. It's called Hyperluminal. You should play it if it's possible because it is very object heavy. Here is the small part without any spoilers. It is one of the best levels ever created and it's completely auto, you don't have to click. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And on next lesson we would beat Retray. Goodbye.